Okay, let's go to page 424 and let's do number 2. We have an x over 5 plus x over 3 equal to 8. Okay, so this is the equation. So for equation, first you want to do is you want to multiply by LCD to get rid of the fraction. So 5 and 3, your LCD is 15. So you want to multiply by 15 for each term. Okay, and then you go and cancel and write down what is left over. So 5 and 15 cancel, divide by 5, so you get 3. So again, write it down right away. Okay, try not to cancel and try to write, you might lose track. So this one cancel, you get 5, so you get plus 5x equal, this one you multiply, okay, you get 120, and you combine the like terms, you get 8x equal to 120, divide by 8, so x equal to 15, and that's it. Okay, so number 4, you got 6 over z equal to 4, so you can multiply by common denominator, so multiply by z, so you cancel out, so you got 6 equal to 4z, then you divide by 4, so this cancel out, so you got z equal to, you can reduce, so it becomes 3 over 2, okay, and that's it for number 4. Number 6, you have b over 3 minus b over 7 equal to 12. So you can multiply common denominator to get rid of the fraction. So 3 and 7, you need to multiply by 21. So this will cancel, you get 7, so you get 7b minus, cancel, you get 3b equal to, and so go ahead and multiply out, so 21 times 12. So you get 252. Okay, so you subtract, you get 4b equal to 252. Divide by 4, divide by 4. Okay, so b equal to 63. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 8. In number 8, you have 14 over 3x equal to 7. Okay, so you can multiply by common denominator. Another way you can do is cross multiply, but let's just go and multiply by common denominator. So this will cancel out, so you got 14 equal to 21x. Then divide by 21, so this will cancel out. So x equal to, this one you can reduce by 7, so divide by 7, you get 2 over 3, and that's it. Okay. Okay, number 10, you have y plus 2 over 4 plus y over 5 equal to 1 over 4. Okay, so your common denominator is 20, so multiply everything by 20. So this cancel out, so you get 5. So now when you multiply, you have to distribute. So you get 5y plus 10. Make sure you distribute. Okay, plus 5 and 20 cancel out, so you get 4. So you're going to get 4y over here. This one cancel, you get 5. Okay, let's go and combine the like terms. So I get 9y plus 10 equal to 5. Okay, go ahead and minus 10 on each side. So I get 9y equal to negative 5. Divide by 9. So I get y equal to negative 5 over 9. Okay. And that's it. Okay, so let's go to number 12. Okay, number 12, you have 5 over x plus 6 is equal to 2 over x. So again, you can multiply by LCD or you can cross multiply. I'm going to cross multiply. Okay, so I get 5x equal, okay, and cross multiply, I get 2x plus 12. Now, how do you know which one to put on this side? You will usually put a higher number on this side, so that way when you solve, you don't end up with a negative. But it doesn't matter, okay? Just go through the steps using algebra. So you got 3x equal to 12. divide by 3, divide by 3, so x equal to 4. Okay, let's go to number 14. Okay, you have 4 over x plus 3 equal to 2 over x. Okay, so again cross multiply, so I get 4x equal cross multiply, I get 2x plus 6. So minus 2x on each side, right? You want to put variable on this side, numbers on this side. So I get 2x equal to, this cancel out, equal to 6. Divide by 2, divide by 2, so x equal to 3. Okay, let's go to number 16. Oh, by the way, you have to watch your restricted value. So if the number, so notice over here the restrict value is -6, so that one's okay. This one, the x squared value is 0 and -3, so all these are okay. Okay, but when you get to like number 16, you have 5x minus 2 over x minus 4 equal to 7 plus 4x plus 2 over x minus 4. Okay, so this one you have lots of terms. So to get rid of the fraction, so what you can do is you can go and multiply by the LCD. So multiply by x minus 4, x minus 4, x minus 4. Okay, so this cancel out, so I get 5x minus 2 equal to, this one does not cancel, so you multiply, you get 7x minus 28. Okay, and this cancels out, so I get 4x plus 2. Okay, let's go and combine the like terms. So this one and this one would be 11x. This one and this one would be minus 26. Okay, and I'm going to solve, so I'm going to minus 5x on each side. So this cancel out, and since I move variable to this side, I'm going to move number to this side. So plus 26 plus 26. So I get 24 equal to 6x. Divide by 6, divide by 6, so x equal to 4. But if you look over here, if you make x equal to 4, you're going to get 4 minus 4 equal to 0, so it's not allowed. So the answer you get is no good. So in this case, this one would be no solution. So you have to check for restricted value. Okay, we haven't done that before, but you should. Okay, you need to go and check, make sure the answer you get is okay. Okay, whatever answer you get cannot make the denominator equal to 0. Okay, let's go to 18. Okay, you got 3x over 3x squared plus 2 equal to 1 over x plus 1. Okay, so in this case, you can do the cross multiplying. It's probably a little bit quicker. Okay, so cross multiply. So I get 3x squared plus 2 equal cross multiply. I get 3x squared plus 3x. Okay, and from here, I'm going to, okay, notice you got 3x squared, right? So in this case, you can minus 3x squared on both sides. So it cancels out. So you get 2 equal to 3x. Okay, and then from here, divide by 3. So x equal to 2 over 3. And you check, so the 1 is not allowed. This one will never equal to 0. So this one is okay. Okay, let's go to number 20. You have 3z minus 2 over 4 plus 3z over 8 equal to 3 over 4. Okay, so common denominator equal to 8, so let's multiply everything by 8. So when you cancel, you get 2. So 2 times, you have to multiply this whole thing out, so you're going to get 6z minus 4, right? You have to distribute. This one cancel out, so plus 3z equal cancel out, so you get 6. Combine the like terms, so I get 9z minus 4 equal to 6, plus 4 on each side. So I got 9z equal to 10, divide by 9, so z equal to 10 over 9. Okay, and you check, okay, there's no variable on the bottom, So there's no restriction. So that's your answer. Okay, so let's go to number 22. Okay, you have 5 times x minus 4 over 6 minus 2 parentheses x plus 4 over 9 is equal to 5 over 18. Okay? So your common denominator is 18. So LCD is 18, so multiply by 18. So this cancels, so 6 and 18 cancel, you get 3. Now you have to be careful. When you multiply, you have to 3 times 5 will give you 15. So you have to multiply. So multiply the number first. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay? So now you use a 15 to multiply that. So you're going to get 15x minus 60. Okay? Over here you cancel. So now notice this is going to give you negative 4. Right? Negative times 2 give you negative 4. So when you multiply, you're going to get minus 4x minus 16. So be extremely careful with when you have negative with a lot of items. So this cancel out, so you get 5. Okay, so combine like terms. So I got 11x, combine the like terms. So minus 76 equal to 5. So plus 76 plus 76. So you get 11x equal to 81. Divide by 11, so x equal to 81 over 11, and that's it. Okay, let's go to 24. You have x over x plus 5 equal to 4 minus 5 over x plus 5. So your LCD is x plus 5 because this is 4 over 1. So multiply by x plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 5. So this cancel, you get x. This one does not cancel, so you multiply out. So you get 4x plus 20. And this cancels, so you get minus 5. So I'm going to move the variable to this side. So minus 4x minus 4x. So I get negative 3x equal to, combine the like terms, so this will give me 15. So divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. So x equal to negative 5, right? And again, you check, negative 5 is not allowed because negative 5 plus 5 will give you 0. So this answer is no good. So answer will be no solution. So you have to check, make sure your answers are fine. Okay, let's go to number 26. Okay, you have 5 over x squared plus x minus 6 plus 3 over x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 23 over 6x squared minus 24. So first thing you have to do is you need to factor these in order to find your LCD. Okay, so you're going to get 5 over something. So let's go up to the side to get your factoring. Okay, so this one, your master product is going to be 1 and negative 6, right? 1 and negative 6. So you're going to get 1 comma negative 6, 2 comma negative 3, 3 comma negative 2. So that's the one. So you're going to get 2 sets of parentheses. So you're going to get xx. So it's going to be plus 3 minus 2. Okay, so you're going to do the master product for this one. So you're going to get 5 and 6. So 1 comma 6, 2 comma 3. Okay, so for this one, you're going to get that. So it'd be x plus 2, x plus 3. Okay, now this one, you have to do multiple steps. So go off to the side. So you got 6x squared minus 24. You have to do step 1, common factor. Okay, so factor out the 6, you get x squared minus 4, and you're going to get x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, so you're going to get 6, x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, so now your LCD, okay, you're going to need to have a 6, and you need to have an x plus 2, x minus 2, and x plus 3, right? So you can look over here. So number is 6, and then you need to have x plus 2, x minus 2, and also x plus 3. So that's what you need to have for each one of these. So write it all out. Okay, so that's going to start to cancel. So this cancel with this cancel with that. So when you multiply, again, multiply this first. So 5 times 6 is give you 30. So multiply this first, they'll give you 30. So 30 times x would be 30x plus 30 times 2 would be 60. Okay, now this one over here, you cancel, 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 cancel. So this would be 18. So when you multiply, you're going to get 18x. 18 times negative 2 will give you negative 36. Okay, equal. This one cancel, 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 cancel. So now you distribute, you're going to get 23x plus 69. Okay, so I'm going to move all the variables to this side. So minus 23x, minus 23x. So this cancels out. And I'm going to move the number to the other side. So minus 60, okay, plus 36, plus 36. Okay, so let's see what we got. So I get 21, so it would be minus 2x equal to, this would be a 9. Okay, so it would be a 45. Let me double check. Okay, 9, 45. Okay, and then you divide, double check. Not good. Okay, I did the wrong problem. I mixed the problems together. So let's redo. I mixed 25 and 26 together. Okay, so let's go and redo this one. So again, it's very easy to make mistakes. Okay, so you got x squared plus 3x minus 4 plus 2 over x squared plus 5x plus 4 equal to 17 over 6x squared minus 6. Okay. Okay, so let's go over this again. So let's go and do our master product. So this would be 3, negative 4. So 1, comma, negative 4. So 4, comma, negative 1. Okay. So I need to get plus 4 minus 1. So this one, the master product would be 5 and 4. So 1, comma, 4. So it would be plus 1, plus 4. This one requires multiple steps. Okay. So this one, 6x squared minus 6. You have to factor out the 6 first. And then you use a conjugate. So x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay? Okay, so now your LCD is going to be x plus, so it would be 6, x plus 4, x plus 1, x minus 1. So 6, x plus 4, x plus 1, x minus 1. So write down everything so that way you can keep track of what you cancel. Okay? Okay, so this cancel with this cancel with that. So when you multiply, that's a 30, right? 6 times 5 is 30. So 30 times x would be 30x plus 30. Okay, this one cancel with this cancel with that. So now you got 12 over here. So 12 times that will give you 12x minus 12 equal, the 6 cancel out, x plus 1 cancel out, x minus 1 cancel out. So you're going to get 17x plus 68. Okay, so I'm going to move the variable to this side. So minus 17x, so this cancel out. And I need to minus 30, and plus 12, so this cancel out. Okay, so this will give me 13 plus 12 will give me 25x. Okay, so this one's 70, 80, so give me 50. So divide by 25, divide by 25, so x equal to 2. Okay, then you have to check. Okay, look, check for excluded value. So -4 is no good, 1 is no good, +1 is no good. So this one is okay. Okay, let's go to number 28. I have 5 over 2x squared minus 50 minus 3 over x squared plus 4x minus 5 equal to 11 over 8x squared minus 48x plus 40. Okay, so again, first let's go and factor each one of these. So you go off to the side so you don't clutter up your major steps, right? So 2x squared minus 50, step 1 common factor, so factor out the 2, so you get x squared minus 25, so you're going to get x plus 5, x minus 5. Okay, so you can go off to the side to do the factorings that you can put down here. So you're going to get 2 x plus 5, x minus 5, minus, so you can go off to the side. So this one is going to be master product, so it'd be 4, -5. Okay, so it'd be 1, -5, 4, 5, -1. Okay. So you're going to get plus 5 minus 1 equal to. Okay, then this one, again, this one is a little bit messy. So step 1, common factor, you can factor out the 8. And then you can do the master product, -6 and 5, so -1, -5. So it'd be -1, -5. Okay? So you can put this over here, so it'd be 8. And you're going to get x minus 1, x minus 5. Okay? So again, you can kind of tell if you're on the right track if they have the common things. If everything is all different, then you probably did something wrong. Okay, so let's go and get LCD. So the number is 2 and 8, so it's 8. And then the group would be x, so it would be x plus 5, x minus 5, and x minus 1. Okay, so you need to have an 8, x plus 5, x minus 5, and x minus 1. So 8, x plus 5, x minus 5, and x minus 1. Okay, so let's go and cancel things out. So this cancel with this cancel with that, and this cancel with that to get a 4. So now you're going to get 20. So 4 and 5 is 20. So if you cannot remember, you can write off to the side somewhere. Okay, so 20 times that would give me 20x minus 20. Okay, now this one over here, this cancel with this cancel with that. So now you got negative 28. Now you have to watch the negative over here. So it's negative 24, right? Negative 8, negative times 8 times 3 give you negative 24 times that. So negative 24 times x would be minus 24x. Minus 24 times negative 5 would become plus 120. Okay? This one you cancel. This one you cancel, cancel, cancel. So you're going to get 11x plus 55. Okay? And I'm going to go and simplify things a little bit. Okay? So I get negative 4x. And this one would be plus 100. Now, since the positive is over here, I'm going to move this over, so I'm going to plus 4x. So this cancel out, I'm going to move this over, so minus 55. So I get 45 equal to 15x, divided by 15, divided by 15, so x equal to 3. And you have to check, okay, check for restricted value. So negative 5 is no good, positive 5 is no good, positive 1 is no good. So this is not any one of that, so this one is good.